Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video we will be looking at another Akool software features, which is the face swap. In the last video I've do the image generation, and these are the two images that I'm going to use for today. One is a pretty girl and the other one is an old man. We're going to do a few things in this Akool software today. We'll try to swap the face of these two around and then play with some of the features. So the first thing that we want to do is click on this face swap. You can actually face swap a video as well, but let's try the image first. So the first thing is you can choose to drop a file, or you can use a demo over here. Because I already created a file, so I'll be using it. So let's drag the pretty lady in first. And we wait for a while, and this pretty lady will become our source file. And then so we want to face swap the face out. So when we are doing a face swap, always remember it doesn't matter if you have long hair or short hair or white hair or black hair. What it does is it's supposed to swap out only this face with the source file. And this is the first time that I'm going to do it together with you. So this will become the source file. And right now I'll be doing the face swap for the old man. I need to choose the upload feature. So after uploading it, that will be the face that I want to swap out with this source. Remember, this side over here is a source. And then this side over here will be the face that you want to swap with. So you can choose a demo over here, but I'm using my own one. And over here we can choose a model that we want. So I just go with the classic model, and then you can choose to use whichever model that you want. Of course, it all have different credit. I started off with 365 just to upload this. I use up 3 credit. And then over here, re-age is, okay, the old man, do you want to make it older or make it younger? For now, I'll just leave it as default. That means originally, this will be the face of the old man, and I want it to remain. And then to generate the premium result, that will cost me 4 credit, and then I will just click on that. So now it will start to generate. Rightfully, it should just swap out the face over here with the long hair intact, and the white shirt will be intact, and the necklace will be intact. Everything will be intact except for the face. So let's take a look at the result. Are we close or are we far off? If we compare this with this one over here, because it's trying to make the old man smile. So I don't know if you are satisfied with it, but I think it's quite alright. Of course, this is a very exaggerated old man, but this will be quite okay to me. And let's try another one. Maybe I'll make this particular old man, or maybe I'll use the demo one, because this is a girl, so I don't want to choose a girl, I will choose a male. So this is a demo of the male provided by the Akool software. So let me try with the 0 first. That means we don't change anything. And we'll click on this generate premium result, and we wait for a while to see how is the result like. And then the next thing I want to do is basically to try out the re-age function. And now we have it. So this is supposed to be this guy, but I can't see the bigger version of this, but that's basically it. So we have swapped the girl to this male face. So the other thing, let's try to do, make the handsome young man to be 30 years old later, and click on this generate premium result. And then we'll just wait for a while and see how the handsome young man will look like in 30 years time. And this is it. So pretty much to me, it, although it's re-aged to 30, but pretty much it looked the same as before. Is there more wrinkle maybe on the side of the face here? Let's take a look at the one that we generate. It looked pretty much the same to me. Okay, now let's try another function. So now let's try another function and go back to the face swap again. And this time round, I'll drag in this old man over here. And we are do things the other way around. And let's swap the old man to the pretty young lady and see how is the result. So right now I have this old man over here, and I'm going to upload the pretty young lady. So now I have this pretty young lady over here. Remember, this is a source file and this is a target that we want to change, and then click on this generate premium result, and we'll try to swap this old man with the young lady face. So the hair should remain as it is, and the clothing should be the same, only the face is swapped. That is what a face swap is supposed to do. And we can see some of the features over there. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if you are satisfied with the result, but this is a result that I get from the face swap. And the other thing I can go for is I use a recommended. Let me try to use a recommended demo, because these are the very clear one. So I'll use a recommended demo from Akool software, and then click on this generate premium result and wait for a while. So this is the end result for this. I think the top part it didn't manage, but it did manage the bottom part to face swap. So from this we can see that it tried to retain all the features over here. That means this person is not smiling. So when you do a face swap, the face swap didn't smile. And on the other hand, in the earlier part, when I do a face swap on this lady over here, we can see that when you do a face swap, it tried to retain the expression. That means the picture was supposed to be a smiling face, sweet lady. So it tried to retain the features, but just swap the face. So that is one very interesting feature on this face swap. It retained the expression, but only the face is swapped. And I let you decide for the end result, how does it perform. Okay, and the final part of this is I try to do a face swap on the video. I don't actually have a video, so I'm just using the demo, because if I just use any video, then it will be a copyright issue. So this is the demo of the girl over here, and let me try the demo on this Akool software, because they choose the best face, and we see how it goes. Maybe I'll try both. The one that I uploaded, the old man, because this is a lady, so I like to use a guy. I use a demo first, and because this is a video, so it will cost 20 credit. Okay, I need to select, I need to select the old man and click on generate, and then let's just wait for a while for it to process finish. So two things I'm going to do is I try to change the video to an old man, and I try to change the video to a young man, and this is a lady video. Okay, this will be the end result, but I'm going to try another one, and this is a young man, and click on this generate premium result. And later on we will be looking at these two videos. This one is supposed to be the old man, and this side here is going to be the demo from the Akool software and the young man, and we'll see both the result. So now that we have these two done, let's take a look at the two videos, the result. This is supposed to be the old man. So I will let you judge for yourself how is the result. I think they did quite a decent job. And this is a young man. The face is from the Akool software itself, and this is supposed to be a man. So from here, if you click on the face swap, you can actually see this live face swap over here. And if you click on the live face swap, they give you 30 seconds for fun. But you need to have a webcam, which I don't have a webcam now, so I can't show you the demo. But this is how it works. So if you enjoy this video, do like and subscribe and share the video. And if you want to try out Akool software, sign up for the free account, and if you want a discount code, just sign up using my link and use the coupon code that I provide. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video of the Akool software.